Look at this question, which is based on finding the odd sentence out of the four statements given here. Look at the first statement. A says, but young Spaniard nationals are also going. So this conjunction gives an idea to gives us an idea that this statement represents a shift in the direction of the statement given prior to this. Now let's analyze other statements. Statement B talks about as immigrants leave. So this statement talks about what happens when immigrants leave, right? Statement C suggests that a number of people are leaving a country. So clearly this statement, people left the country. This statement is going to precede statement B, because statement C talks about people leaving a country, majority of them immigrants, but also these many Spanish nationals. So these many, there are people leaving the country, and of them, most of them comprise of immigrants, and at the same time also Spanish nationals. Statement D says this combined with one of EU's lowest birth rates. So it talks about the birth rate and that there is a demographic problem that has arisen in Spain, and as we can conjecture that this problem must have arisen in Spain due to people having left the country. So we see that in statement B talks about people leaving the country, most of them being immigrants and some of them being Spanish nationals, right? Statement D talks about what happens when immigrants leave. As immigrants leave, they take their children with them, resulting in this much percent drop in 4.2% drop in the under 5s. So here, as immigrants leave, there is a drop in the number of children in Spain, and option D also talks about a drop in the demographic number of Spain, and therefore C, B, D form a mandatory sequence, and A is completely completely odd in this setting, because it talks about but Spaniard nationals are also going, whereas the third sentence, statement C, already talks about Spaniard nationals leaving the country. So therefore there is no reason why the sentence that follows it should contain but, because C already mentions that Spaniards are leaving, right? So if there were supposed to be any statement that preceded A, it should deal with some particular category or nationality of people not leaving, and then maybe this sentence would follow by stating but young Spaniard nationals are also going. If statement A is to be preceded, if there is any statement that is to precede option A, then it should be dealing with some particular category of people leaving the country without any mention of Spaniard nationals, and then statement A would follow that statement by suggesting that these people are leaving, these kind of people are leaving, but young Spaniard nationals are also going. And since there is no such statement that presents a contrast to option A, therefore option A is the odd one out and therefore the correct answer.